Hey guys, this is the full ride from Belmont Center to Harvard Square. Full ride today, as you can see. I believe we're on a DL40 bus. Hospital. I believe we're on the DL40 model bus in Massachusetts. So, let's see. What will we be checking out today? This is what it's like on the 74 bus to Harvard Square from Belmont Center. And you could also take it from Harvard Square to Belmont, not Belmont to Harvard Square. So, this is what it's like on the 74, if you're wondering. Moulton Street. Okay, I'm not gonna do that, but you guys, if you guys want to see my face, I will turn it to my face. Hey guys, I'm your host, Dorian. I will be making the titles and sometimes descriptions on your videos, and this is brought to you by Transportation, Food, and More. And I will be your host for the videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to see all the new videos that we make, so that you know when we make new videos. So, guys, thank you for watching. Let's get back on with the video, guys. So anyway, guys, let's get back onto the video. So yeah, this is what it's like on the 74. It's pretty nice. I mean, yeah. So, there's a Sunoco. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm really bad at gas station names. I'm really bad at gas station names, guys. I don't know.
It's pronounced Sunoco.
Oh, sorry. Sunoco. We will be passing over old railroad tracks just now. You will feel bumps. 78 to Armont Village. I just saw it right there. Oh, that sound. We crossed over old railroad tracks. Not in use anymore. Well, people can't see you. There we go.
Hey!
Let's get back on with the video. Woo! This guy's driving nice. Ooh, that's a nice Audi. You guys see that Audi? That was nice. Holy moly, guacamole. Oh, somebody's getting on. Alright, guys. They just put up the kneel. So, we're now leaving. It's a nice little neighborhood here in Cambridge. So now, if you guys don't know, now we're in Cambridge. Comment down below if you've been on this bus before. Comment down below if you have. A few people probably have, and I'm one of those few people. I've taken it many times. And if you guys been on this bus, comment down below, because I feel like it will mean the world to me if you guys like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, smash that like button, and just enjoy the ride. So let's I'm gonna stop talking for a couple minutes and let you guys just experience the bus. So I'm gonna start talking again because I can't really stop. So they have these nice hard blue seats, and I feel like I don't understand why the hybrid buses have like softer seats, and it just, I feel like it's kind of weird. Sitco, 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 Sitco. Oh, another 74. There's another 74 going to Belmont Center. So guys, we're getting actually really close to Harvard Square now. Right, Dad?
Yep.
See?
A few more minutes.
See that?
Hey, you know, we might be able to get the 9:45 train instead. Because it's only like 8:40, so get the earlier
To
train.
Providence?
Yeah.
Hear that, right? You heard that, right, guys? I hope you did. And yes, we are getting quite close to Harvard Square right now. And yeah, this will basically be a full ride. This is yeah. We're using the selfie stick, our big giant selfie stick / tripod. It can transform to a selfie stick too. Comment down below if yours can. Alright, once you hear Garden Street, that's when you're getting close to Harvard Square. That's when you're getting real close to Harvard Square. Once you hear Garden Street, guys. Trust me. I've been on this bus many, like I said, I've been on this bus many times before. So, yeah, probably been on this bus like at least 1,000,000 times before. Because I mean, maybe 100,000. Because I just, yeah. I'm a city kid. I'm a city guy, right? I'm a city type of kid. So, we're getting close to the lower busway tunnel. You can see it over there. You might, oh, 77. Oh, that's a good one. We're both going to Harvard. We're both going to Harvard Square, bro. Hey guys. Hey dude. Hey 77, what's up, bro? Hi, what's up? I'm the 74. I'm also going to Harvard Square. Okay, I get the point. Okay, when are we gonna go? For real, when are we gonna go? Oh my god. It's a race. Dad, it's a race. Oh, we're winning. 77. Poor. Poor guy. So guys, we're getting into the busway tunnel. Here we are, guys. Woo! Hallelujah! Harvard Square. Woohoo! Now we're in the Harvard Square lower busway.